today we're going to be talking about pictographs. And if you've never heard of a pictograph, there's a word in the beginning that kind of gives us a hint about what that is even going to look like. Picto. Yeah, pictures. A pictograph uses pictures to show data that has been collected. So in this pictograph, you can see little ice cream cones. I know, I tried. So you can see little ice cream cones. And I remember that all of my graphs have labels and have a title. So you can see my title is favorite flavors. My label over here is on the categories is types of flavors. And then there's something really important about pictographs. Pictographs have something called a key. And I always want to remember that a key, it's like, alert, 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 I'm really important, look at me. So because that key is so important, I want you to star that key. The key is going to tell me what each picture stands for. So I know if I see an ice cream cone, that doesn't mean one vote, it means 2 votes. So I have to really, really pay close attention to that key. So now I'm going to be looking at my pictograph and I'm going to be seeing, how many people voted for chocolate, how many people voted for Nella, how many people voted for Oreo, and how many people voted for mint. And one of the things that I like to do before I start answering all these questions is I like to write the number of votes next to each one. So will you help me? Oh, thanks so much. All right, so for chocolate, number of votes, I see 4 ice cream cones, so I'm gonna write a 4. What? I'm not? What am I gonna do? Wow, that is some smart thinking. You should kiss that brain of yours. So I know that my key said each ice cream cone is worth 2. So even though I see 4 ice cream cones, I'm not gonna write 4 because each ice cream cone really represents 2 votes. So there's a couple things that you can do here. You can skip count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. You can take 4 and multiply it by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. You can add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and we still get 8. There's a lot of different ways that we can get to 8. So I'm going to just write above it 2, 4, 6, 8, and I know my total number of votes was 8. Awesome. So now, vanilla. Vanilla has 2 ice cream cones. How many votes does that really mean in our pictograph? And remember our key, alert, 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 key. How many did vanilla actually receive? Yeah, 4, awesome. 2, 4. So we know vanilla received 4 votes. Whoa, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing on this anchor chart? I see 1 ice cream cone, and I see another ice cream cone, and then I see half of an ice cream cone. This one might be a little tricky. No, we got this, So I'm gonna say, okay, 1 ice cream cone is 2 votes, so 2. Another ice cream cone is another 2 votes, 4. And then what would half of 2 be? What's half of 2? 1, yes, awesome. So I know that this half of an ice cream cone only represents 1 vote. So my total would be 5. Oreo received 5 votes for favorite ice cream flavors. And now here we go. This graph's trying to trick me. It's not gonna happen. Mint. So now mint, I see 1 ice cream cone, 1 full ice cream cone, and then I see a half of an ice cream cone. What was the total number of votes that mint received if they have 1 full ice cream cone and a half of another ice cream cone? Yeah, 3. I know this would be 2, and then this is just one more, meaning 3. So my total number of votes is 3. Nice work. Now I can go down and I can easily answer my word problems. So now it says, how many votes did Oreo receive? And instead of having to go back and recount all of them, I already wrote my numbers right next to it. So I know that Oreo received 5 votes. Nice. And for number 2, it says, how many more people liked chocolate than mint? Oh man, wait a second. How many more? How many more liked chocolate than mint? That seems like I'm comparing these 2 numbers. Well, 8 people liked chocolate, 3 people liked mint. I need to find how many more. I know I'm gonna do what operation? Yeah, subtract. 8 minus 3 equals, what is equal? Yeah, 5. Nice work, friends. So remember, pictographs are graphs that use pictures to show data that has been collected. We want to always have a title. We want to have our labels. And it's really, really, really important to have a key and to pay attention to that key. Because remember, when we see that key, alert, 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 I'm important, look at me. Okay? Awesome job today, friends. Good work.